today is the Chrysocolla. I love the Chrysocolla. And it helps so much in so many ways. It helps aid in pain relief. It also detoxes the kidneys. We all need that, right? The detoxing of the kidneys. It also helps calm you down and encourages emotional balance. And what's going on right now, even the solar flares, they're like, whoa, we need to calm down, right? And it boosts communication. It helps to increase your self awareness, your self acceptance, and also spiritually, it helps to transform. That's why I picked it, because it is a transforming one. And that's what we're talking about today. And it encourages you to be into your psychic or intuition and really connect to that inner wisdom. Promotes harmony and balance. It's a great stone for meditation that helps deepen. Most crystals do help with that, but some of them say it and some of them don't. So remember that. And if you are just getting into crystals, new to crystals, or you're old to crystals, and you'd like to learn a little bit more about them, reach out to me, because we have so many beautiful ways, either online or not. And there's the spiritual cookbook, and that has all 18 of my sessions that for almost 30 years I've been doing, from chakras to crystals to meeting your spirit animal. You want to know what that is too. And remember, we're going back to the beauty of the crystals. And just remember that you always, always want to be able to clear your crystals. And if you don't know what that is, please get with me and let's have a session. I'd love to do that with you.